Technology ready in 12 months. Emerging technologies will play a pivotal role in accelerating the pace of the energy transition and helping reach net zero targets. We work with the boldest technology developers who embody innovation to bring technology to life. Let's take a look at some of the projects and technologies that will be ready in 12 months. Technology ready in 12 months. Technology 1. Waterwhelm, waste heat power desalination for hydrogen production. To meet the UK's aim of 5 gigawatts of low-carbon hydrogen by 2030 and up to 35% of the UK's final energy demand by 2050, vast quantities of water will be required to produce green and blue hydrogen. Existing potable water supplies cannot meet the future demand required by coastal and offshore hydrogen production facilities. The most sustainable option will be to use seawater. However, this adds cost as seawater must be desalinated and purified prior to use. Currently, about 10% of hydrogen production costs are attributed to desalination. If we can reduce this cost, we reduce the overall cost of producing low-carbon hydrogen. Waterwhelm has developed a patent-pending forward osmosis technology powered by waste heat. This technology utilises natural osmotic pressure to draw water across a semi-permeable membrane. Waste heat is used to separate the water from the draw solution and is in abundance across many industrial processes. Inherent waste heat is also associated with green and blue hydrogen. Waterwhelm's technology can be utilised to reduce the electricity consumption of desalination by up to 80%. Global hydrogen ambitions will only be achieved if seawater can be utilised. This technology can provide low-cost and sustainable access to desalinated water. Technology 2. Supercritical, high-pressure, ultra-efficient proprietary electrolyser. To enable the UK to achieve net zero, it is predicted that 270 terawatt-hours of hydrogen could be required each year, 10 times today's current production of 27 terawatt-hours. Green hydrogen will be critical to meet this demand and will require abundant renewable energy, supply chain expertise, and extensive repurposed and new infrastructure. Key to this is electrolysis, a process of using electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. However, development of the hydrogen sector has been slowed by lack of a lower-cost technology for higher efficiency electrolysis. Supercritical Solutions is tackling this challenge through the development of a high-pressure, ultra-efficient proprietary electrolyser design that harnesses heat and pressure to produce hydrogen more efficiently. It requires 20% less energy than existing electrolysers, maximising efficiency and lowering cost. The end product is pre-pressurised, removing any requirement for the compression stage often found in rival technologies. Industrial customers, heavy transport, food and drink, and the power sector can all benefit from this trailblazing technology. The technology will unlock green hydrogen production at scale by reducing costs and improving energy conversion rates. The supercritical electrolyser is up to 17% more efficient than rival technologies, which increases to 30% when waste heat is introduced into the process. This much higher efficiency translates into smaller equipment, which lowers electrolyser capex, reduces the amount of renewable power required, and cuts the cost of hydrogen by over 30%. A next-generation electrolyser will also open up potential export markets, including the EU, US and Asia, worth over £1.2 trillion between now and 2050. Technology 3, Motion Energy, BlueX. Offshore assets and ocean equipment have a huge power demand. To decarbonise this power, they need to electrify or use another low-carbon fuel. The ocean remains a tremendous, untapped resource for green energy, and the wave conditions around the UK coastline are optimum to support wave energy developments. Harnessing just 1% of our global wave power resource would eliminate more than 50 million tonnes of CO2 annually and power more than 50 million homes. Delivering net zero through a just transition requires wave and tidal to be part of the energy mix. Motion Energy has developed innovative solutions to harness wave power to provide ocean equipment and the grid with clean, carbon-free, renewable energy. The prototype technology, BlueX Wave Energy Converter, is a hinged raft device with unique geometry that converts wave energy into electricity. It combines with Velume's Halo, an easy-to-install autonomous seabed energy storage system, provides reliable and uninterrupted renewable power to subsea CCS injection equipment, oil and gas production equipment, and autonomous underwater vehicles. Motion Energy's wave technology enables asset and subsea electrification, bringing the power source closer to the development. The system can provide remote power and communications to autonomous underwater vehicle hubs, reducing costs, response times, and emissions associated with offshore inspections, surveys, and maintenance. The system could also provide backup power for failed umbilicals. Based on just 3 failures per year, this could save up to £240 million annually. Motion Energy's technologies are sector agnostic and support opportunities in the oil and gas energy transition, defence, offshore wind, and ocean science markets.